Kevin here. This is Gus. He's our family pet. We travel with him all the time. Anyways, are you nervous about leaving your pet alone in the RV?
If you've been worried about your dog when you're not there, sometimes when you leave, you worry the temperature might be too hot, might get too cold for the dog. Sometimes it's a cool day, but the sun comes out and it gets hot. Or you want to know if your air conditioning's running or not. So what I found on Amazon was this nice camera. It allows you to set a max temperature and a minimum temperature. It'll send you an email warning, or you can view it through your cell phone. You do have to have a Wi-Fi connection for this. So we use a hotspot. It has motion detection. So if something's moving around or there's a break-in, it helps you with security. Any motion will send you an email. It's a pretty easy setup. It's motorized, so you can turn it, tilt it, up, down, left, right, zoom in, zoom out. It's relatively inexpensive. It's manufactured by Goswer. Check it out. Let's unbox it.